Right, hello and welcome to Raymies Garage. We've here got Apprentice Pat's daughter's car, where we are having problems with the gear change selector not coming up.
No, it's not turning.
It's not turning.
It's coming up, but it's not turning.
It's coming up but not turning, so there's multitudes of videos on that on YouTube. So we're going to try and take this out, have a look at it. But Apprentice Pat's daughter's already made arrangements to send this away and get it repaired. Not something I would have done had I had a wee go at fixing it first. So we need to try and figure out how to get this whole centre console out. Apparently Apprentice Pats knows how to do it because he's watched multiple YouTube videos. So right, where are we going to start? Take these off. These will be tight. Oh, he's going to break it.
That's tight, eh?
You just got to get a yank, Patrick. There's a wee connection in there. No, that stays on. That comes off.
Oh, does it right now? It
Comes off separately. Sure it does.
Oh, I think it all comes
No,
off
it does. Sure enough. Put that in the back. Don't scrape that. Right.
So, these come off.
They've probably never been off.
No, they've probably never been off.
That's one. Two.
Right, so we're going to get our torques. No, this comes
That
off.
front panel comes off. Aye. Then you've got the wee torques. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So that's where the T20 comes in.
Okay. Went to open it upside down. No, you didn't. This is my pick. Yeah.
Is that it?
Hmm. Like an electric screwdriver. Speed the process up.
We've left it in the garage. Well, that's coming off as well.
That whole thing comes off.
We've done this many times before, haven't we?
I shall go and get the wee buzz tool.
Right. Now these are all the same size, aren't they?
I think so.
I thought it was a funny smell in this kind of smell, actually. Like a burning smell.
Sounds like a wood burning heater for outside. And it comes off to allow us into these screws.
That's a lot easier. And there's two here.
Well, this one, you've already took
I already
that
had
one
that
out.
one off, right.
Now this should come out with one connector on it. That's there.
So that's the HVAC controls.
Yep.
So it is.
There's all your crisps and stuff on there.
So at the side here you've got 8mm.
Yep.
8mm. It looks more like 10 to me, but
There's the wee L4 there.
Is it?
Put your top to the bottom. You hold that and I'll get that. You're videoing over there. That's why we're not Matt Armstrong, Patrick.
Shout out to Matt there. Can we get a job, please?
Yeah.
Right. So the next stage in the process is to remove these wee chrome things. So this is where you need your pick tool.
Right.
Where's your pick tools? In the back? Oh, they're there. So apparently you go in here.
Just to through in the back, you haven't lost it.
I didn't really mean to do that, it kind of flipped. I was supposed to catch it with my hand.
Right, okay.
But obviously it didn't. And I think this back panel comes off. Or is there more?
I don't know.
I'm trying to think. I don't know if we maybe took this off first. Nope. There you go.
So it looks as if maybe it's underneath there.
Right, what I need to do is I need to move the two front seats back as far as I can.
Back or forward?
Back.
Right, okay.
So you can get a punch.
Mm-hmm.
If you move them back like that and then do that, so this clears. You need to clear that, aye. Can you see that there at your end?
Aye. Fixing stuff. Fixing stuff. You won my video.
Oh, I have a video.
What are you up to?
Oh, very man.
Did it move, aye?
What's Kevin? Alright. Aye.
I moved that time.
So it's just a wee bit stiff.
That's it coming out now.
That's the punching as far as it'll go. So that goes in from your end, you see?
Anyway, I'll just buy all the gear for that service then.
Aye.
Right. I'll go online and get it all.
Right, so what have we done?
This bit just unhooked, and this bit just clicked off. I was going to take this wee bit as well. This is a wee kind of mount for the back panel.
Alright, okay.
But there's a wee light here. There's two wee halogen bulbs,
Right.
and it runs right along.
That's just the ambient light.
Aye, so I don't want to break it.
Aye, just pull them out then it. That other one come out there.
I've took the other one out, no bother, but this one seems to be a bit sticky. Just to get out of the road really.
Aye, just lifts up, does it not? That bit
Aye,
there.
this here, I was trying to lift it up and then it seems a lot stiffer than the other one. The other one walked out.
Isn't it?
I don't want to break it, you know what I mean?
No.
Anyway, so now you've got 4 torques in here again, see them in there?
Alright.
Put your light on it. You've got these 4 here, and there's down there, and you've got another couple of wee bolts in there as well. Where did I see the wee bolts? Oh, I just can't see them now.
Right, let's take them out anyway. Put that end in the socket, put the other end in the gun.
Like that, you mean?
Yeah. You can see it's too long now. It's just sitting there. That's it. Right, what do you do now?
I think this all comes away now.
Right, go for it.
There's two wee clips here, see them? See these wee clips here, I think they've got something to do with it. Can't see how they move it enough. God, that's right in my face. See if I feel stiff for a clip, but
It's maybe not that it moves, it's maybe the other bit of plastic. Pull this bit out.
okay. So that's that off, right?
Okay.
So now you pull these away. This goes away. This is where you need your trim tool. So it is.
These come away.
I think so. Aye.
Hold on a minute. These two trim tools here. Is it clips or something? Oh, I see the clip. There are the clips in there, look.
Now. And you work your way from the back.
Okay.
Now what you do now is you put the seats back, you go around the front and take it off from there.
Okay, let's do that then. At the bottom of the trim tool. Done it.
Oh, you got it right.
Right. Right, you want to take that out? Or?
I've took mine out altogether because there's a now you should see a couple of wee bolts there.
Right, let's have a look at this. A wee bolt there.
Can you see any bolts now?
Aye. There are bolts up here. And there's wee 10mm bolts, or 8mm bolts here, two of them.
Is that a wee black one?
There's two, one each side of that, aye. Right, so a couple of wee screws here, each side. I'll try to do this with one hand, which I'm not going to be able to do, just hold that now. Did you take them right out?
Aye. It looks like it's in a slot, but doesn't it? Maybe you're not meant to take them right out.
Right, that's them out. What else have we got? It's solid.
It's just this top bit that's supposed to come off.
So there are two wee these wee lugs here.
Oh, I see what you mean.
They're just holding it, so you need to kind of wedge it out and push it up.
Right.
So that's that. It's more clips that's holding it than anything else.
It slides backwards.
I believe the cable's holding it, Pat. There's cables holding that, so you need to maybe undo that cable there. That and the other one. There we go. And that one there. I think there's one more. You might be able to get out and turn now. See that cable there? That's the one that's holding it, mostly. So it seems out of breath a wee bit there, trying to take that wee cable clip off.
There's a wee locking tab on it. That's why.
Right, take the locking tab off then.
That's the locking tab off now. Oh, there, I broke the locking tab.
Broke the locking tab.
Well, that actually broke it, I've just pulled it out.
Right.
Right, there you go. That's that one off as well.
Let's see how that comes off there.
Is that a twist maybe?
No, I'm not sure. I can't see a wee tab on it. There's another wee couple of lights on there, but just what you're doing, you're breaking them. Wee ambient lights.
Oh, right.
See? Well, that's a cigarette lighter.
Oh, is that what it is?
That's what it looks like. Aye, so it's a wee tiny. See it now, maybe. Let me get it off. Just watch your finger, I can't see for it. There you are. Right, it should lift out apart from these lights here. So there must be. Hold on. A wee connection in there. Right. It should now lift out. And there's a lot of the problems here. There's dirt. All the crumbs and crisps and juice. And look, so you can actually see all the stickiness in there, see it?
Oh.
As if that's been coke or something that's spilt in there.
Oh, no doubt, I've absolutely no doubt in my mind when I say to you, Laura, have you
Spilt
spilled anything?
coffee?
She'll say, oh no, not us, but then you look at the evidence.
Aye. So the evidence speaks for itself, Patrick.
It's all evidence is all there.
Right. Do you want to take that into the wee workshop? We've got a cup of coffee and just take that out?
Yes, that's a brilliant idea.
Right, let's do that. Yeah.
So the even's there.
I think, well, I'll just holding that on. I'll start with these four anyway, to remove the device. Oh, for crying out loud, you bloody lost all the screws. Screw there. Too much hash bash using power tools.
That's you. Your obsession.
Right. There you are, how difficult was that? So that's the bit you're going to send away?
This whole thing.
Aye. Personally I would open that up, check it out, it's fairly straightforward, put a bit of power on it.
I know, but I don't want to.
There you go. Anyway, that's how it's getting taken out. Much of the new?
They're about £700.
Alright, okay. And you're sending it to your company, which we'll put a link in the description where you're sending that.
AG Electronics, I think it is, in Birmingham or Oldham.
Okay.
£79.
Right, so we're back. We've got the part back from that company. I'm about to reinstall it again in the dark because we need this car back on the road. So where do we start?
Right, so here we have the unit returned.
It is the same unit.
It's the same unit refurbished or repaired.
So that was quite quick, a day.
So that was literally a day, 24 hours. It was come back, very impressive.
We set that on Monday afternoon and it's now back on
Wednesday, lunchtime.
Wednesday lunchtime. And this is Wednesday night. Right, so put that back in. Right, there we've broke everything. That clips in there like that. Right, how many screws have we got left?
We've got 4, 5.
Where the hell did they go to?
I think maybe there's a couple of screws in at the side here somewhere.
Alright. Well, do you want to take it all back off again and put them on?
No, I do not.
Right, let's see if it lifts up. The moment of truth. Oh, it's moving. Are you able to turn it?
Reverse, neutral, drive, sport. Drive, neutral, reverse, park.
Right, so it's working now.
It feels absolutely fine.
Well, that's that job done, although we had to do it at night. I'll just show you what we're doing here. Look. So, yes, job done. What lights you got on?
Part brake fault.
Oh, right, it's probably because you've had to unplug part.
Aye. I'll put the tool on it and
Aye, just
I'll
clear
really
them.
borrow your top down if it's
Aye, see?
to stick it on.
That looks quite sticky there, see that?
Aye.
Feel it? Let's get the torch on that because it does look quite
Aye, it is, isn't it?
sticky looking. I'm sure you could get that kind of nail polish and take that off.
Maybe sort of alcohol rub or something like that.
Aye, that's maybe not helping. Right, so we'll leave it at that. Fairly straightforward job. Pain in the arse is taking all that off.
Aye. It's just, it's taking everything off to get into, it's a
Aye,
problem.
that's
And it's all footy and clips and plastic and...
aye. And you'll also have a few clips extra.
Aye.
Right, thanks for that. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.